Hello. Did you know that the wild boar has 2 layers of fur? The outer fur is bristly, but the fur underneath is soft against its skin. And wild boars can only see blue light. But that's not a problem because blue light is easy to see in the dark, and wild boars are nocturnal, meaning they are mostly awake at night. They like to eat insects, fish, frogs, lizards, snakes, and even worms. Anteaters have poor eyesight, but their sense of smell is about 40 times better than that of humans, so they find their food by sniffing. Their tongues are long for catching ants and termites deep inside their nests. Their tongues are sticky with little spikes on, which makes it difficult for their food to escape. They can flick their tongue in and out 5 times every 2 seconds. Can you do that? I'm sure you can, but your tongue isn't half a metre long. They swallow their food really quickly so they don't get stung, and then their stomachs grind their food up, which is a good job really, because anteaters don't have any teeth. The tawny owl is a nocturnal bird of prey, which means it hunts mostly at night. They mainly hunt rodents such as rats and mice, but sometimes they also eat other smaller birds. Because it hunts in the dark, the tawny owl has excellent hearing and eyesight. They have long, sharp claws to catch their prey with. When it spots its prey, it swoops down silently so its food doesn't hear its wings flapping and then run away. Did you know that mouse was there? I didn't, but our owl did.